will place the volt locator somewhere, but don't mess with my stuff as the Ministry of Photo. Locator, are you going to come in here now? I don't remember where I put it, but I placed it somewhere here. What's in the A? Is this the filter like this? I don't wish for anything if they put the Koreans between us. The volt locator first comes and tells you here the phase selection L1, L2, and L3. So where do I take it from? Of course, the volt locator I normally see in front of me, but it doesn't change with me to see behind me. So where do I take it from? I take it from the block of the phase selection start, which is forward L1, L2, and L3. You will find here start forward L1, L2, L3, then it tells you the calculation of distance, meaning when it calculates these distances. People usually put any fault for it, so I put, for example, differential zone 1, 2, 3, 4. You have, for example, the communication scheme, switch on to fault. Any of these, any trip you have happens, it comes in and activates the calculation of distance. But the first part of it, you don't need anything from it. Now we come to the setting because its setting is important. Look, sir, the first thing it reads is from where. So it tells you now you have channel 1, channel 2, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, channel 7, channel 8, channel 9, channel 10, channel 11, channel 12. To support and after that. Great, where will I get all this from? These channels? Or where did I get them from? From Compal 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not 12, 34? Why does it seem like the expanded one is for me? 123, no, I go here. In the application configuration, and I go look for its disturbance recorder analog input. And see if I have feedback because it reads from here and reaches to read here. I mean, look, if you come and stop here through its parameter setting, you'll find it will tell you what this is. Recorder input number, recording phase current L1. Where does it take it from? It takes it from the disturbance recorder. So you go to the disturbance recorder and see where your L1 wires are connected. Here it's connected to input 1, and L2 is connected to channel 2, and input 3 is connected to channel 3. Where is the boot slip? It expanded a bit to 3, and the efforts expanded to 5, 6, and 7. It must reach A1. It's impossible for it to 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 reach A1. It's impossible. For the location lock, you have to exit up to 30 in the disturbance recorder. Here you have a set of blocks chunked up to 40, right? You have 4, each of them, or 10, up to how much? Up to 40? So you can't put the currents and voltages that you will read in the volt location beyond 30 because it won't accept it on the next side. So here you place them on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and you mix them here in volt location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, the talk is good. If you want to change them, put them on 20, 21, change them, but put them here like that. After that, when staying here, your line settings, the resistance of your line, and these things, you come here to open your Excel sheet. Here, for example, here is your calculation. Of course, even if you name it, if you use the photo like this, it is written in our paper here, writing your calculations. So it shows you how you will calculate everything. And it is written here that you need to choose from everything. So the paper is also the public one. So you come here to enter the settings. What are our settings? All right, I don't need this Excel thing. I will only need it when I come to set the power swing, just to know its ranges. Okay, look here. You have R1A and X1A at 2.12 R1A, X1A and X1A at 12. So if we just move with 2, it will run next to this without us needing to switch. Here we go. X1L for how much, Asus? 12 on that. X2L. What can I do with X0L for 50 R1L? How much is 2 R0L for 8.75? Ah, 22, I hope so. Correct? All right, so for the line lens for how much? 40, nice.
Now you choose the injection. He brought you the X phase 2X for this much and the X phase 2 phase for this much.
Yeah, because you were given some options. No, you have to choose. Or you have to find. I'll come, and there's no problem. You choose anything, he'll tell you what you like. Choose, for example, you chose, for example, Deepak Sams. That's nice. There's phase injection as phase 2 phase, and for example, phase 2 neutral and phase 2 phase. For example, we are 8. If you are phase 2 phase, you will find it in this live. The length of the sound comes out, or your distance in. 14s comes out as 4.591, and here it comes out at a distance of 14.699. All right, that's the talk, but here it is. This is the test angle, which is the angle you will convince the line angle for you, for example. And this angle convinces in such a way for single phase, and in such a way for 3 phase. All right, that's the talk. You are not going to adjust these. This tension is what is calculated from here, and this is what is divided below. In the denominator, meaning you have Zx over X, Zx injection inhibition. Exactly correct, and in the total line. But you are the one who handles it. You will go to the page where you have the Rx here. And how much do we have? The first page is the normal C, the first page. It is written in the manual that you need to analyze the C for a period of time. What is it? Meaning even 2 parts of it. We are here, look. A part of the manual. Oh, what does it say here? Look. Here, Azus, yes. The part about 2 seconds is subject to any ID to healthy normal load condition for it. Not 2 seconds. This doesn't concern me. So all you have to do is also, and this is where you will evaluate here, the first page, duration 22 hours, 120 cells. Okay, and the second page, you will evaluate the 5 you mentioned. And the angle of the camp? The angle came out for you in the angle thing, you understood it. You become a result. You say 80. It doesn't really matter. No, it matters in retention. Yes, really. 8 billion angles, actually. 8.35, which is, for example, 0.4. And this is in physics or something like that. You see it, and you see in Znorn about it. They said so. When you come to search here in the relay, where will you enter?
In disturbance.
In disturbance recorder, exactly.
I mean, from this it was long. Bye-bye, the voltage came to you.
And then you enter. No, say it, say it. Please just say it so that we can continue listening for a little while, right?
And we just see what we have for a moment.
God bless the internet. God bless the internet in the water, no. How they put the competition.
Yes. We have level.
4.9, okay? Give us, for example, another one. For example, as an example. And this is our right.
God knows what will happen to you. I hear magic.
I hear magic. We counted to 10. I told us to 10. Yes. 80.9. 89. What other trick is there? But how much fun is that? Fun zone 1. As well? Yes, sir. Measure. Inhale now. Yes, sir. Voltage. General information. The total voltage. How much? No, something's not right. I wrote 8. Azus, I'm sorry, not 10. We're counting on 8, 10. Excuse me, what's this idea in general? If you set this voltage to 10, it will give you 18 and a bit more, which it gave you. If you set it to 8, you're at 8. So the voltage is supposed to be. If you lock it, it will give you 14.69. 4. Is that okay? Adjust it by 200 meters. So, okay, Dad, so what is this then, you know? The story of the voltage lock exactly? No, not really. That's it, normally. Yes, I hope you're well.